Hey awesome creators, how to add subtitles on your YouTube video. It's pretty simple and really briefly I'll show you, so let's go.
Video, go inside, and on the right side you will see the button subtitles, so click there. Also on the left side you see the edit, and you can do this through the edit as well. So actually you can upload the file, text file, if you have already, or you can use auto synchronization by artificial intelligence, what works alright, I would say, but not always correctly, so you need to double check your subtitles and on a timeline. And also, when you will save it later, you can edit your subtitles, or you can type it manually if you want to, or you can delete a certain subtitles what you don't want, for instance. So basically you play for the few minutes and you will be fine, nothing much complicated here. So when you add your subtitles, always save it. It needs sometimes for edit. If you use artificial intelligence, I mean automatically. Also, if you have a new voice, let's say some video you voice over and you use artificial intelligence for put subtitles, and most of the time some of your friends, so basically you need to synchronize it once again. If not, all of the videos will be done by same voice and intelligence can recognize you, AI, so basically it can do everything automatically each time. So then you can come again and recheck all of your text, if it's correct or not, and check it, is it suitable to the timeline. So basically take a little bit of time for that. Okay, that's it. Super simple. Hope the video was useful for you. Stay tuned.